Hi everyone, this is Tanner here with another practical tip to help you become leather savvy. Today, I want to talk about the leather maintenance and care products. We get a lot of questions from our customers at Pegai, how to maintain and care for leather goods. So, the key secret I want to share here is you don't need leather care products, you don't need to maintain your leather goods. Because 90% of the products you have or you will get in the market today is tanned through a chrome tanning or a combination of chrome and vegetable tanning process, in which all the oils and waxes are permanently fixed into the leather in the tannery. So they're not going anywhere. As long as you use your products, your hands, the oil in your hands will do the job, and you don't need any additional material to maintain them. I would say don't waste your money, even though some leather companies will try to upsell you these leather care products, making you think you need that. I would actually warn you to apply or try those things, because there's a good chance you might ruin the look, the color, the effect you cherish in your leather products, especially the good leather products, the full grain anilines and the vegetable tan items. So as an example here, let's say you have a leather product made out of this vegetable tan full grain aniline leather, and you love that neck grains, and you try a leather care product on it, there's a good chance you might lose the effects you really love on this item. There's an example here. We applied a waterproofing agent here on this one. The base item was this, and it got darkened significantly after the application. So waterproofing might be one case you might want to use some chemicals on your leather goods, but again, to avoid this failure, I would suggest you to apply the product, whatever you want to try, to a discrete area first. Let's say it's your bag, you go to the bottom of the bag or inside, you apply it here, see if there is any undesirable impact after the application, and you actually achieve the waterproofing you're going after. Then you apply it to all over your product, minimizing the risk of ruining the entire item at first place. And one other exception to leather care products, you don't need leather care products, secret here is going to be natural vegetable tan leather, which doesn't have any dyes or protection on top of it, which is the type of leather that they used to make saddles and belts and gun holsters. Completely vegetable tan, there's no dyeing on it. This is the natural color of the vegetable tannins, and this leather tends to dry out pretty quickly, especially if it's exposed to heat and sun, and it might start crackling. So you might want to consider using some oil and wax products to maintain the flexibility in the fibers, but less than 1% of the products in the market today made out of this leather, and there's a very low chance you own a product of this sort or you will buy a product of this sort. If you do, then you might want to consider those leather care products that might be helpful to apply on these items. I hope these tips help you navigate the space better next time you're shopping for leather care products, and don't waste your money on things that you don't need. Thanks for watching.